The battery of an Apple MacBook could save you from a gunshot because it is bulletproof. Elon Musk announced that Tesla cars will be able to connect via Bluetooth in order to talk to other nearby Teslas. Having a younger brother or sister can raise your blood pressure by more than 5%. It has been found males who have many female friends are more confident and have good social skills. Iran tried to get into the Guinness Book of World Records by making the world's largest sandwich, but people started eating it before it could be officially measured, so they failed. The world's tallest tree wrapped in aluminum to protect it from wildfire. In 1945, the Tatas, Birlas and Dalmias were the three richest families in Asia. In a German village called Fogri, the rent has not been raised since 1520. It costs just $1 to live entire year. The longest anyone is recorded to have stayed awake is 264 hours. Guinness no longer accepts attempts to beat this record due to the health risks. If you drill a tunnel through the earth and jump into it, it would take you about 42 minutes and 16 seconds to get to the other side. There are enough restaurants in New York City for one person to eat out every night for 54 years and never visit the same place twice. Nurses sew triplets to the father who passes out with excitement. Photo from 1946 when ultrasound did not exist. Spider webs were used as bandages in ancient times. Somebody found this puppy laid out in a shop surrounded by claret. They thought he would be attacked and was hurt and bleeding. It turns out he had eaten an entire jar of jam and passed out on the floor in a sugar crash. Austrian company develops smart shoes that use ultrasonic sensors so that blind people can detect obstacles up to 4 meters away. Laughing for 15 minutes has the same health benefits as getting 2 extra hours of sleep. Man fails to rob a bank because his handwriting was bad and the staff didn't know what he was trying to do. Scientists successfully built tiny robots that can produce on their own. Your body has more than 600 muscles. The strongest muscle is located in your jaw and the weakest muscle is located in the middle of your ear. Soccer player Ronaldinho came to media attention at 13 years old when his team won by 23-0. He scored all 23 goals. Research shows that all blue-eyed people may be related. Sugar is as bad for you as cigarettes. Earphone wire information 3.5 mm stereo jack wiring diagram. You burn 72 extra calories per day by standing at work. The wedding of Princess Diana and Prince Charles was watched by 750 million people worldwide in 1981. The average 4-year-old child asks over 400 questions a day. A single negative thing could be only be outweighed by at least 5 positive things. The happier you are, the less sleep you require to function in everyday life. Sadness increases the urge to sleep more. Your feet can give an early warning about serious health problems. Sunglasses were originally designed for Chinese judges to hide their facial expressions in court. Yoga is one of the oldest physical disciplines in the world. Cotton candy was invented by a dentist. If you like this video, please do share, like and subscribe to our channel. Stay foolish with me.